Hey guys, this is Dallas Gaming here with another tutorial for you on how to download mods for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I want to give a special thanks to machine_builder for creating this mod. Today we're going to be downloading the Just Structures mod. This mod is going to give us some simple structures for our world, such as cabins, little huts, just little ruins, and etc. So what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down here. And I would look on any mod that you go to download, look for something that says, don't forget to turn on experimental. These will be very, very, very difficult for you to get on mods to get on your world if you do not have this allowed. Now, if this isn't shown on the creators thing, I would ignore it completely and just go ahead and download mod and start playing. Now, we scroll further down, we're going to see downloads right here. They'll give you a couple options. Sometimes you'll have to download the behavior and resource pack in two different downloads. But for this one, it was a little easier. It's just one download. I'm going to click on MC add-on download, and it's going to bring us to here. I'm going to click here, the direct link. And we're just going to go ahead and do this right here. Wait for a second. And continue. Now we're going to look down right over here. It says content provided by mediafire.com. We're going to do download Just Structure mod. Now you should see right down below on your downloads of your bar, we're going to open this. So once your game is loaded up, you'll see everything here. We're going to click on this, run it. Yes. Next. Decline. Finish. Decline. Click on that right there. Should be right here. Now, I don't know if I went a little too fast for you guys, but when you go to create new world, we're gonna go down here, under settings, activate experiments, go ahead and activate all of those. I'm gonna scroll down, behavior packs, my packs right here, and there it is. You activate it, and get activate, create new world, and you should be all set. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below of what you think of the mod and if it made your world a little better, or if you have any questions at all. There will be a link in the description down below if you want to download the mod for yourself. If you haven't seen my other videos, go check them out, especially if you're having trouble figuring out how to get past AdFly or link vertice. Now this one was a little special, so that's why I wanted to show this one mainly, was because not all of them are going to be how you just saw me download it.